Good morning, dear students. Now we can continue our chapter Windows 7. In this chapter, we studied about the operating system, then Windows desktop and what is booting. We know that desktop is the opening screen of a computer and the booting is the switch on process of a computer is known as booting. Then we studied what is desktop background and how to change the desktop background. Then how to change Windows color. Then what is screensaver and how to set the screensaver also we studied in the last class. Then in the previous class we studied about the gadget in Windows 7. I hope you understood these portions. Now we are going to study about Windows accessories. Windows accessories is a set of application software that is a part of Windows operating system. These are small programs that are extremely useful for completing everyday tasks. To use Windows accessories, click on Start. All programs, their accessories option is there. See, these are the Windows accessories. Here normally we are using calculator, sticky notes and sound recorder. Let us learn to use calculator, sticky notes and sound recorder now. See, this is a calculator. The calculator is an accessory used to perform calculation. Normal calculator is this one. In computer, there is also a calculator is there. In your computer, there is Start All Programs Accessories. There is a calculator option is there. That calculator also used to perform calculations. Used to perform arithmetic operations on numbers or calculations on numbers. This is the calculator in your computer. It has buttons with numbers and symbols and a small display area very similar to an electronic calculator. See, in this calculator there is so many buttons are there, numbers are there and then symbols like division, multiplication, addition, subtraction symbols are also there. And after calculating, that result is displaying in the display area in the top section. Actually it's same like your normal calculator. We cannot maximize a calculator window. Next one is sticky notes. It is an accessory program used to create reminder notes on the screen. You can click on the Start All Programs Accessories there. Sticky note is there. Click on the sticky note. A blank note will open. You can type your note in that notepad like option. See, this is the note or sticky note. Here in the top, two options there, new note button and delete note button. You can remove the notes by clicking the cancel or delete note button. And then if you need a new note, you can click on the plus sign, that's new note button. Type your note in the middle portion. After writing the note, your notepad is like this or your sticky note is like this in your Windows 7. In that right hand side, that sticky note is coming there. Just press on the new button, that another sticky note is coming there like this. Press on that plus button, that another sticky note is coming there. You can write your note in there. You can move that sticky note in one place to another. Just press there and move, drag it. This is the sticky note option in Windows 7. It is an accessory program used to create reminder notes on the screen. Next one is sound recorder. Sound recorder is an accessory program used to record sound. Your mobile phone also contains that sound recorder option. Same like we can record sound using the sound recorder. A microphone is needed for recording sound. For recording sound, first you can click on the accessories, then click on the sound recorder option. or you can search here sound recorder. That sound recorder option is there. See, start recording. Likewise, a small box is coming there. See, before starting your recording, you click on the start recording option. Just click on the start recording option. After clicking the start recording option, see there that option is changed to stop recording. See, then your time is going like this. Then another box will come. See, you can save your item in any file or folder and then click on save button. This is the process of start or recording a sound. Click on start recording. Then after stopping, there another box is coming there. Write or select any file or folder. Click on the save option. Next, another one feature of Windows 7 is on-screen keyboard. That is the on-screen keyboard. In Windows 7, there is an option there, ease of access, and then click on the ease of access in accessories. Their on-screen keyboard option is there. See that click on the on-screen keyboard option. Like this, a keyboard is coming in the screen. The use of this on-screen keyboard is it helps to type without using a keyboard. See, if anything you want to type, you just click on the letters or digits. It's very useful option, that on-screen keyboard. Taking this, click on the accessories. There ease of access option is there. There on-screen keyboard option is there. Next topic is Windows games. There are so many interesting games are there in Windows, like chess, free cell, solitaire, etc. To start a game, click on start or program option. Then click on the games option. Choose a game you want to play. See, after clicking start or program games, this window is open. Here so many games are there. You can click anyone you want. Our chapter is over. Let us discuss our textbook now.